My name's Tim Loney. I'm the welding instructor at the Tech Center. Our main goal is to get some certifications for you and some articulations for different colleges you may be going to. We do a couple different competitions. We do the Skills USA, we do a Delta competition, and we do Mites competition where you build projects. This class here is predominantly a hands-on class. We spend as much time welding as we can, trying to get to the point where we're good enough to either go to college, trade school, or get some hands-on skills that will help us when we graduate.